Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming which Office LTSC edition you have and whether it's 32-bit or 64-bit. This matters because uninstall commands differ. Once done, export any custom templates and license info so you do not lose settings. Now open an elevated PowerShell or command prompt as administrator. This gives you the permissions required. Run the built-in uninstall tool for Microsoft Office if available. If not, prepare the Office deployment tool files. Make sure to stop any Office processes before proceeding so the removal can run cleanly. You now stop all running Office processes, either in Task Manager or with Taskill, to avoid file locks. Next, run the Office deployment tool with an uninstall configuration or use mseek/x paired with the correct product ID. This removes main binaries. Once the main uninstall completes, run cleanup commands to delete leftover folders in program files and app data. Also check for Office-related Windows services and scheduled tasks. Remove them if orphaned. Make sure to export registry keys before editing so you can restore if needed. You finish by rebooting the PC to clear locked files and confirm that Office executables, services, and shell associations are gone. If you plan to reinstall, do a clean install and run Windows Update to ensure dependencies are current. If activation or leftover registry entries cause issues, use the Microsoft Support and Recovery Assistant to detect and fix problems. It automates common fixes. One key troubleshooting tip: if an uninstall fails, restore your exported registry keys and uninstall from safe mode, or use a recovery environment to remove.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.